Hello children, I am Pooja, your science teacher. Welcome to your science class. Today also I will continue our block 3, that is stems and roots. In previous class we discussed about function of stem. So today's topic is find the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Let's start the topic. Observe these two pictures and find the difference between two types of roots. Yes, one plant has a big root and smaller roots coming out from it. This kind of root is known as taproot. Other plant has roots coming together like a cluster or group. This kind of root is called fibrous root. Let's know more about taproot and fibrous root by this video.
Parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit are the different parts of a plant. Let's learn more about them. The root. The root grows under the ground. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Let us do an activity. Try to uproot a bunch of grass. You will find it difficult to do so. Do you know why? Yes, because the root also fixes the plant to the soil. The roots of plants hold the soil together. This stops the soil from being washed away during heavy rains. Roots are of two types: taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. Some plants like carrot, radish, and beetroot have one main root with thinner roots growing from it. This is called taproot. These roots grow deep into the soil. Most trees have taproots. Fibrous root. Some plants like grasses, wheat and coconut tree don't have a main root. They have a bunch of small roots. These are called fibrous root. Activity. Take a small rose plant and a grass plant. Wash the soil from the roots and observe. On comparing the roots, you will observe that the rose plant has taproot, whereas the grass plant has fibrous root.
In taproot, one big main root is known as primary root and other smaller roots coming from it is known as secondary roots. Taproots can grow deep into the soil to absorb water and fix the plant firmly. Some tall trees like mango, big bushes or shrubs have these type of root system because they need a strong support to stand. Some taproots store food in it which we eat. Some examples are carrot, beetroot, turnip. Fibrous root coming together like a cluster or group, all are equal in size and spread equally. Fibrous roots does not go too deep. Some example of fibrous root like maize, wheat, rice, and grasses. Now think and answer this question. How can we know whether the plant has fibrous root or tap root without uprooting the plant? Yes, by the veins we can know whether the plant has fibrous root or tap root without uprooting the plant. If veins arrange like a net on leaf, then the plant will have taproot. And if the veins do not cross each other or are in parallel to each other, then the plant has fibrous roots. Let's take quickly recap of this topic. We discussed here about the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Hope you will get the topic. Thank you.